So, a new year is here, and with it comes the next evolution in Samsung's software experience, One UI 8.5. This isn't just a minor patch with a few bug fixes, it's a significant update packed with new AI features, deeper connectivity, and more ways to make your phone truly yours. As of today, January 19, 2026, this software is still in its testing phase. Samsung kicked off the beta program back on December 8, 2025, giving users of the Galaxy S25 series in select countries like the US, UK, Germany, and Korea an early peek. For these early adopters, it has been a journey of discovery, with new beta builds rolling out to refine the experience. For everyone else waiting for the polished final version, the official release is tied to Samsung's next flagship launch. The stable public version of One UI 8.5 is expected to make its grand debut alongside the brand new Galaxy S26 series, which we anticipate seeing in February or March of this year. This means S26 owners will have it right out of the box. If you're currently using a Galaxy S25, don't worry, you're next in line. The stable update will roll out to your device shortly after the S26 hits the market, so the wait is almost over. It's a classic Samsung strategy: introduce new software with new hardware. This stage rollout is pretty standard in the tech world. It allows Samsung to gather valuable feedback from a dedicated group of beta testers, iron out any last-minute bugs, and ensure the software is as stable as possible before it reaches millions of users worldwide. The latest beta version, known as Beta 4, is expected to drop this week, fixing some known issues and further polishing the user interface. This iterative process is crucial for delivering a smooth and reliable experience, making sure that when you finally get the update notification, it's ready for daily use without any major hiccups or performance problems. So, what's the big deal with 8.5? It's all about refinement and intelligence. Samsung is doubling down on artificial intelligence to make everyday tasks simpler, from editing your photos to sharing them with the right people. It's also about strengthening the ecosystem, making your phone, tablet, and even your TV work together more seamlessly than ever before. This update is designed to feel less like a complex operating system and more like a helpful assistant that anticipates your needs. We're going to dive into exactly what that means for you, starting with the brains of the operation: the new AI tools. One of the headline features in One UI 8.5 is the evolution of its AI-powered creative tools. Samsung's Photo Assist is getting a serious upgrade that will change how you edit your pictures. In the past, you'd make a change, save it, then make another. Now, you can perform continuous edits without having to save after every single adjustment. This creates a more fluid and natural workflow. Even better, the software now keeps a detailed edit history, allowing you to easily scroll back through your changes and pick the exact version you liked best. It's a non-destructive editing process that gives you complete creative freedom without the fear of making a mistake. The intelligence extends to how you interact with content on your screen. The AI Select feature, which lets you lift subjects out of images or text from your screen, has been streamlined. Previously, after you copied an item, the tool would remain open. Now, it smartly closes automatically as soon as your content is copied to the clipboard, clearing up your screen and letting you get to the next step faster. Speaking of the clipboard, it has received a subtle but useful visual makeover. A new gradient background makes copied items more distinct and easier to see, so you can quickly confirm what you have ready to paste. Sharing your memories is also getting a lot smarter. The Quick Share function now uses AI to recognize the people in your photos. Imagine you just took a great group shot at a party. When you hit the share button, One UI 8.5 will analyze the photo, identify your friends, and proactively suggest sharing it directly with them. This removes the hassle of scrolling through your entire contact list to find the right people. It's a small touch, but one that demonstrates how AI can be used to make your daily interactions with your phone feel more intuitive and predictive, saving you a few taps every time. And finally, let's talk about Bixby. While it might not always get the spotlight, Samsung has been working on back-end updates to make its voice assistant more responsive and capable. With One UI 8.5, Bixby features tighter integration with the operating system, allowing it to execute commands more quickly and reliably. This isn't about adding flashy new tricks, but about strengthening the foundation. A faster, more dependable Bixby means you're more likely to use it for setting reminders, controlling your smart home devices, or getting quick answers, making it a genuinely useful tool rather than just a software feature you forget is there. One UI 8.5 is making a big push to break down the barriers between your different devices, creating a more unified Samsung ecosystem. A standout new feature, currently exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series and newer models, is called Audio Broadcast. Built on Auracast technology, this allows you to use your phone's microphone to broadcast your voice to nearby LE audio-supported devices, like Galaxy Buds. Imagine you're leading a small tour group in a noisy museum, or giving a presentation to a few people in a quiet library. You can speak into your phone, and everyone with compatible earbuds will hear you clearly, turning your phone into a personal broadcasting station. The other major connectivity upgrade is Storage Share. This feature fundamentally changes how you access your files across your Samsung devices. Once enabled, files stored on your other Galaxy devices, like a tablet or a Galaxy Book PC, will appear directly within the My Files app on your phone. There's no need to manually transfer them or upload them to a separate cloud service. It just works, as long as all your devices are logged into the same Samsung account. It's a powerful tool for anyone who switches between their phone, tablet, and computer throughout the day. This seamless access goes both ways. With Storage Share, you can also browse your phone's files from your other connected Samsung devices. This even extends to the living room. You can now access your phone's photo gallery or video library directly from your 2025 or newer Samsung Smart TV. So, if you want to show off your vacation photos on the big screen, you no longer need to mess with casting or connecting cables. You can simply navigate to them using your TV remote. This deep integration makes your phone the central hub of your digital life, with all your content accessible wherever you need it. These features demonstrate Samsung's long-term vision, a world where your devices just work together effortlessly. Audio broadcast and Storage Share aren't just one-off gimmicks. They are foundational technologies that make the entire Galaxy ecosystem more compelling. By making it incredibly simple to share audio and access files across your phone, earbuds, tablet, and TV, Samsung is creating a sticky ecosystem that rewards you for staying within it. This level of convenience is a powerful motivator and a key selling point for anyone invested in Samsung's hardware lineup. One UI has always been known for its customization options, and version 8.5 takes this even further, especially in the Quick Panel. For those who love to tinker, Samsung has added more granular control. You can now resize and reposition the adjustment bars for brightness and volume. If you prefer the look of iOS, you can even change their orientation to be vertical instead of horizontal. However, sometimes you can go too far with customization and just want to start over. For that, Samsung has added a simple but brilliant new tool, a Reset Quick Panel Layout button that instantly restores the panel to its default factory design. Beyond just the layout, One UI 8.5 continues to refine the user experience with small but meaningful fixes. The beta program has been instrumental in identifying and squashing bugs. For instance, Beta 4 is set to resolve several annoying issues within the phone app, including glitches with search history, random crashes, and a particularly frustrating bug where a call would unexpectedly switch from your Bluetooth headset back to the phone's main speaker. These quality-of-life improvements ensure that the core functions of your phone are as reliable and seamless as possible, making for a much smoother daily experience. On the security front, Samsung is introducing enhanced measures to protect your device and your data, especially if it gets lost or stolen. A new theft protection feature adds more layers of security to lock down your information. One of the most practical additions is the failed authentication lock. Now, after too many failed login attempts, whether via fingerprint, PIN, or password, the phone will automatically lock itself down, preventing brute force attacks. This simple but effective measure provides an essential safeguard against unauthorized access, giving you greater peace of mind. To further bolster security, One UI 8.5 expands the number of settings that require identity verification before they can be changed. This means a thief can't simply pick up your unlocked phone and disable critical features like Find My Mobile or change your Samsung account password without first verifying it's you. In summary, One UI 8.5 is a thoughtful and exciting update. It combines powerful AI tools that simplify content creation, deep ecosystem connectivity that makes your devices work as one, and robust security enhancements that keep your data safe. It's an update that feels both innovative and practical, designed to make your everyday life just a little bit easier.